Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. This is my next video on chapter gravitation. As you know that earlier we have done the topic universal law of gravitation and importance of universal law of gravitation. Now this is next video. Before starting the topic, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. You can also see these videos on school website home tutorial page also. Now let's start. Today's topic is free fall. To understand this topic, you can see this. I am having a paper in my hand. So whenever this, I will allow this paper or any heavy body like ball or anything. When I will allow to it fall, so it fall like this. So air resistance is acting on it. But when I will crumple it into a ball, then its shape becomes like this. Or when I will allow to fall it falls at a faster rate. So in these two cases, when you are having the paper in this crumpled form, in this case its area becomes less and air resistance also becomes less. When it coming downward, air is exerting a friction on this, and that is known as air resistance. So what is this free fall? So the falling body on which only force of gravitation of the earth acts is known as freely falling body, and such a fall of a body is known as free fall. Means whenever the bodies fall due to the gravitational force only, no any another force acts on them, that is known as the free fall, and bodies are known as freely falling bodies. And moreover, when a body falls freely, like if you will see again, I will allow this ball to fall down. So what you are observing, its speed increases as it falls towards the earth, but its direction remains the same. So direction remains the same, but magnitude of velocities changes. So we will say that free falling motion of freely falling bodies are accelerated motion. And the acceleration produced, because there is a change in magnitude of velocity, so there is an acceleration produced. So the acceleration produced in a body due to the free fall of the earth is known as acceleration due to gravity, and it is different for all the planets also. So the acceleration with which a body falls towards the earth, we are talking only earth, so due to earth gravitational force we will say that, and it is known as acceleration due to gravity. It is denoted by small g always. Now this is all about, if you will take that acceleration due to the moon, then it becomes acceleration, so on moon surface it becomes. If you will take any other planet, so you have to write particular planet. So every planet and moon all have their own gravitational forces. Now let's find out the expression for this acceleration due to gravity. So now let's find out the derivation, means the mathematical formula for the acceleration due to gravity of the earth. So we will consider the gravitational force of the earth. So let us consider this is a earth, like a earth we are showing here, mass of earth, and this is the object which is falling towards the earth. So we have considered it as small m, and distance between them is, this object is little bit this object is far away from the, yeah, we are not considering it on the surface of the earth, just we are considering it, so it becomes a distance. So d is the distance between them. By universal law of gravitation, what was the Newton has proposed, that universal force is given by capital G, mass of earth, mass of object, and the distance square between them. This is the first equation, let us consider. Moreover, by Newton's second law, what he has proposed, the force when the bodies get attracted towards them is the product of their mass and acceleration. So mass, and so this body is falling, so it is a get attracted towards the acceleration due to gravity. So mass of object and acceleration due to gravity. Now these forces are equal, so we can equate them also, this side also. So what we can write it, m naught ge is equal to g m e m o upon d square. So mass of object cancel. What we will get, ge is capital G, mass of earth, and distance between them square. So from this expression you are watching, there is no mass of a object, it is independent of the mass of falling object. So gravity depends only mass of the particular planet or the celestial body or heavenly body and the distance between them. Now if this object is on the surface of the earth like this, so what this distance reduce and what we can call it? We can call it radius of the earth also. So what we can write it? Acceleration due to gravity can be written capital G mass of earth upon radius of earth square. This is the formula when it is object is on the surface of the earth. So from this expression you can see that acceleration due to gravity is independent of the mass of the falling object. Means if you will allow either a 1 kilogram object or a 1000 kilogram object or whatever body, big, small, light, they will fall with the acceleration due to gravity of the earth only. Means it does not depend on the body mass. So whenever we are saying that this is coming downward with the letter slowly like the paper example I have given, so that is due to the air resistance. If there is no air resistance, means in vacuum if we will allow the bodies to fall, they will come with the same, they will fall down with the same time. I have told to you that this acceleration due to gravity is independent of the mass of the falling object. Gravity depend only on the mass of earth, radius of the earth and capital G. You know that these values are constant. 6.673 into 10 is power minus 11. Mass of earth also when we will take it is a constant 6 into 10 is power 24 kilogram. Similarly when we will put radius of the earth. So when we will put all these values constant, at last we will get the acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. For all the bodies whether they are small, big, we take always acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. For our approximation to solve the numericals, we can take 10 meter per second square also. So this is for your today's work. So try to do these things. Okay, thank you.